Hi guys, so for this week's design what I've started with is this holographic blue as a base. We're then going to do some sponging with white and the same blue. So I'm going to do this sort of shape on the sponge with the white in the centre point, and as you can see I'm aiming it more for the tips. I'm now just going in with a little bit of the blue colour just to touch up some of the areas. I want the bottom bit to be a bit darker again because it's going to be supposed to be like the ground, and then this is obviously going to be the night sky. So moving on, we're going to do some stamping. So as you can see, each nail is slightly different. So on the pinky, I've got a rabbit. The ring and pointer, I just have some grass on. The middle finger, we've got a fox. And the thumbnail, which I'm going to show you how to do it, we've got stag. I've also just added some grass to the bottom of each of the nails with the animals as well. So this is the image plate that I'm using. So I'm going to be using the stag from over here and then the grass from down here.